Run Windows on Mac. Just released. Parallels Desktop for Mac. Run Windows on any Mac, Intel or Apple Silicon, and experience a seamless integration between operating systems. Learn more. Buy now. Try free. Find the Parallels solution that works best for you. Parallels RS. Simplified management of virtual apps and desktops. Learn more. Parallels Secure Workspace. Enables zero-trust secure remote access to apps, desktops, and files from the browser. Learn more. Parallels Desktop for Chrome OS. Run full-featured Windows applications directly on Chrome Enterprise and Education devices. Learn more. View all products. Become a partner. We are committed to empowering our channel partners to accelerate business growth and address the needs of customers with innovative and flexible solutions. Learn more. Run Windows on Mac. Easy, powerful, seamless. New Parallels Desktop 19 for Mac. Power up your Mac to run Windows on a virtual desktop, plus get access to more than 200,000 of its apps to work, develop, study, test, and play. Authorized by Microsoft. $84.99 per year. Buy now. Try free. Already have a subscription? Download the free upgrade now. Looking for a business license? Learn more. 30-day money-back guarantee. Windows on ARM plus Mac M Series, M1, M2, and M3 plus Parallels Desktop 19. Run Windows apps on ARM Pro and Enterprise editions on Mac with Apple Silicon with the Microsoft Authorized solution. Learn more. For home. Run thousands of Windows applications on your Mac, including Windows-exclusive games. For school. Supercharge your education. Access the Windows apps and other software you need on your Mac. For work. Unlock the full power of Microsoft Office 365 Suite and other business-critical apps. For power users. Advanced features and enhanced functionality designed for developers, creators, and power users. Experience the best of both macOS and Windows with Parallels Desktop for Mac, unlocking powerful performance and seamless interaction. And so much more. Choose your view. Make Windows invisible while still using its applications in coherence mode, or if you're new to Mac, you can set Windows in full screen. Drag and drop files and images between Windows and Mac apps. Open files on Finder with Windows. Play Windows-exclusive games on your Mac.